Hey friends, can you believe that Christmas is just 5 days away? I can hardly wait. I just love it so much. We are on day 20. So let's go ahead and find it in our box. Our presents are dwindling down here. Let's see. Oh, here we go. My sticker just blended in with that decorations on top. All right. So let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Looks like we have a beautiful project panel. Let's check it out. So let's take a look at this a little bit more. This is so fun. So it looks like we have 4 colors here that are smaller sections, this larger section of blue, and then some tan, and then this patchwork section. So I am willing to bet that there is a project that goes along with this. So we'll just have to come back tomorrow and see what the next present has in store. I just love this. It's so much fun to see the little surprises that are coming each day. So I will see you guys soon. Have a great day and happy holidays.